Welcome back and let's continue. The complex terrain of AI's challenges and constraints within the healthcare landscape. Data privacy and security. One of the foremost concerns in the era of AI-driven healthcare is the privacy and security of patient data. As AI systems rely heavily on vast datasets, safeguarding sensitive medical information becomes paramount. Patients must trust that their data is handled securely and that their privacy is protected. Breaches of medical data can have severe consequences, eroding patient trust and potentially leading to identity theft or insurance fraud. Lack of regulatory oversight. The rapid development of AI in healthcare has outpaced regulatory frameworks. This gap poses challenges in ensuring that AI systems meet safety and efficacy standards. Regulatory bodies worldwide are actively working to address this issue, but achieving a harmonized and comprehensive regulatory framework is a complex process. Potential biases in algorithms. AI algorithms can inherit biases present in the data they are trained on. In healthcare, biased algorithms may lead to disparities in treatment recommendations and diagnoses, affecting vulnerable populations disproportionately. Ensuring fairness and impartiality in AI-driven healthcare is a critical concern that requires ongoing scrutiny and mitigation efforts. Integration and adoption. The successful integration of AI into healthcare systems requires overcoming technological and cultural barriers. Healthcare institutions must adapt their infrastructure to accommodate AI systems, and healthcare professionals need training to effectively utilize AI tools. Resistance to change and a lack of understanding can impede the adoption of AI in healthcare. Mitigating challenges. Despite these challenges, the healthcare industry is actively addressing them. Data encryption. Robust encryption and security measures are being implemented to protect patient data. Blockchain technology, in particular, is emerging as a promising solution for secure data sharing. Ethical AI. Initiatives to develop ethical AI guidelines and frameworks are gaining traction. Researchers and developers are working to identify and mitigate biases in AI algorithms. Regulatory progress. Regulatory bodies are collaborating with industry stakeholders to establish guidelines for AI in healthcare. The goal is to ensure that AI systems meet rigorous safety and ethical standards. Education and training. Efforts to educate healthcare professionals on AI's capabilities and limitations are underway. Training programs are being developed to enhance AI literacy among medical staff. As we venture further into the future of AI in healthcare, it is crucial to recognize that these challenges are not insurmountable obstacles but rather opportunities for growth and improvement. The ethical, regulatory, and technological dimensions of AI in healthcare are evolving, promising a future where the benefits of AI are harnessed while ensuring patient well-being and data security. Pioneering new horizons. As we journey through the realm of artificial intelligence, AI, in healthcare, we stand at the cusp of remarkable advancements and innovations. The future of AI in healthcare and the exciting prospects it holds for transforming the field even further. AI in drug discovery and clinical trials. The future of healthcare will witness AI's active involvement in drug discovery and clinical trials. AI-driven algorithms have the potential to analyze vast datasets of chemical compounds, predict their efficacy, and accelerate the development of new drugs. Additionally, AI can optimize clinical trial designs, identifying suitable patient cohorts and expediting the evaluation of novel treatments. Interplay with emerging technologies. AI is poised to integrate seamlessly with other emerging technologies, ushering in a new era of interconnected healthcare. Blockchain technology, for instance, can enhance the security and transparency of medical data, while the Internet of Things, IoT, can enable remote patient monitoring. The synergy between these technologies promises to revolutionize healthcare delivery. Enhanced diagnostics and early intervention. The future of AI in healthcare includes more advanced diagnostic tools that can detect diseases at earlier stages with unprecedented accuracy. This translates into improved prognoses and better treatment outcomes. AI-driven wearable devices will continually monitor vital signs, enabling early intervention and more effective management of chronic conditions. AI-powered assistants. AI-powered virtual assistants will become integral to healthcare, assisting both patients and healthcare providers. These assistants can answer patient queries, schedule appointments, and provide personalized health advice. They can also assist clinicians by summarizing patient records and recommending treatment options. Global collaboration and telemedicine. AI will facilitate global collaboration in healthcare by breaking down geographical barriers. Telemedicine platforms enhanced by AI will connect patients with specialists worldwide, ensuring access to expertise regardless of location. AI can also facilitate language translation, making healthcare services more accessible to diverse populations. Ensuring patient privacy, minimizing biases, and maintaining transparency are foundational principles that must guide the responsible integration of AI in healthcare. The future of healthcare is undoubtedly an AI-augmented one. It promises a landscape where diseases are detected earlier, treatments are more effective, and patient care is more personalized and accessible. AI's potential to transform healthcare is a testament to human innovation, but it also underscores our responsibility to harness this power responsibly and ethically. From its inception to its future promise, AI has transformed healthcare, leaving an indelible mark on how we approach medical challenges. We reflect on the profound impact of AI on healthcare and the horizon it beckons us toward. A new frontier, the integration of AI into healthcare isn't merely a technological advancement, it's a seismic shift. AI has transcended the role of a tool, it has become a partner in the pursuit of better health and well-being. The unprecedented benefits. Throughout this video, we've explored the myriad ways in which AI benefits healthcare. It enhances accuracy in diagnoses, personalizes treatment plans, and streamlines hospital operations. It empowers patients with virtual health assistants and opens doors to global expertise through telemedicine. In drug discovery, AI accelerates the development of life-saving medications. The endless horizon. The horizon of AI in healthcare stretches endlessly before us, marked by untold possibilities. It is a world where data serves as a beacon of hope, guiding us toward better health outcomes. Thank you for joining us on this illuminating journey through the world of AI in healthcare. Subscribe. Thanks.